Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. How do we find CD, the length x? Now you've been told the radius r is 2, meaning from the center to the circumference is the radius, that is 2. You've been told B is the tangent point. So this point B is the tangent point. Then you've been told AC is equals to 2. From A to C is 2 units. Then CD from C to D is the length x, which we are supposed to determine. So let us first of all start by joining the point from the center O to point B. So if we do so, we have this triangle. So the first thing you have to know is that you've been told AB is a tangent point. So that implies the length AB is a tangent and OB is the radius. And the tangent and the radius is always meeting at 90 degrees. So that implies that triangle OBA or ABO is a right angled triangle. So if a triangle ABO is a right angled triangle, if you use Pythagoras theorem, we can determine the length AB. So you know the longest side is from O to A. So you have OA squared is equals to from O to B, OB squared plus from A to plus from A to B squared. So from O to A, the radius you are told is 2, meaning from O to C is 2, then from C to A is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So there you are going to have from O to A is 2 plus 2, that is going to be 4 squared to be equals to from O to B is the radius, that is 2 to be equals to 2 squared plus AB squared. So if you make AB the subject of the formula, you will get AB squared is going to be 4 squared minus 2 squared. If you take 2 squared the other side of the equation, and that gives you 12. 4 is 16, 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4. 16 minus 2 squared 4 is 12. So AB squared is equals to 12. Now, again, if you now take triangle, if you let the length from B to D to be H, then you see triangle ABD is also a right angle triangle. So triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. Then you see again, the hypotenuse is now AB. So you can see AB squared is equals to from A to D is AD squared plus from B to D plus BD squared. So AB squared we found is 12. So that means 12 is equals to A to D squared. From A to D is 2 plus X. So that is going to be 2 plus X squared. Then it is plus BD squared. From B to D is H. So that is going to be H squared. So if you make H squared the subject of the formula, we get H squared is going to be 12 minus 2 plus X squared. Positive 2 plus X coming on this side will be negative. Again, if we take triangle BDO, that is also a right angled triangle. You use Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is now BO and BD is this. So what is the length from D to O? The length from D to O is going to be 2 minus X, because you are told the radius is 2, meaning from O to C is 2, but from C to D is X. So it means from D to A will be the whole 2 minus X. So there, if you make also H squared the subject of the formula, you'll get H squared will be hypotenuse is from B to O is going to be 2 squared minus hypotenuse, the longest side, squared minus from O to D, then minus 2 minus X squared. Now, here we now have two equations of H squared. This is H squared, this is H squared, meaning these two equations are equal. So if we equate these two equations, we'll have 12 minus 2 plus X squared is going to be equals to this equation. Remember, 2 squared, here you'll have 2 squared is 4 minus 2 minus X squared. So that is going to be equals to 4 minus 2 minus X squared. Now from here, if we rearrange this equation, we'll have here, this side we'll have 12 minus 4 coming this side will be minus 4 is equals to negative this going the other side, it will be 2 plus X squared. Then the other side we have minus 2 minus X squared. if you rearrange. Now, having done so, you can see that this is a difference of 2 squared. Remember, this is, if you let this to be a and this to be b, it is like you have a squared minus b squared, which is a difference of 2 squared. That is going to be a plus b into a minus b. So this means 12 minus 4 is going to be 8 to be equals to a plus b. A is 2 plus x, so that is going to be 2 plus x, then plus b is 2 minus x. 2 minus x, then it is times a minus b. 2 plus x minus 2 minus x. So that is going to be 2 plus x minus 2 minus x. So if you open this smaller bracket, that sign is going to change to positive. Because remember, if you have 2 plus x minus 2 minus x. If you open this bracket, you get 2 plus x, then minus 2, then negative is going to be plus 2. So you end up with this. Now, having done that, what do we now have here? This is 8 to be equals to 2 plus 2 is 4 plus x and negative x is going to cancel out. Then 2 minus 2 is 0 plus x is going to be 2x. So this means that we have 8 to be equals to 4 times 2x is 8x. So if 8 is equals to 8x, if you divide both sides by 8, then it implies you get x to be equals to 1. So it means the length CD, the value of x, is 1. So the length CD, the value of x, is 1 unit. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next presentation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.